Question 46. Question 46 asks that a lubricant mucin in saliva is made up of. A lubricant mucin in saliva is made up of. Now mucin in saliva is made up of glycoprotein. It is made up of conjugated protein, that is a glycoprotein. So A is the correct answer. Next is question 47. Question 47 asks that a person become pale. Person become pale, loses appetite, and feels tired. He is a deficiency of. Now these are the symptoms of anemia. And anemia occur due to deficiency of iron, that is Fe. So C is the correct answer. Next is question 48. Question 48 asks that in people addicted to alcohol, that are alcohol addict, the liver get damaged because liver get damaged because so why liver get damaged? Because when alcohol consumption takes place in liver and resultant fat is stored in here. When alcohol consumption occur in alcohol addict, fat deposit or stored in liver, which causes a damage of liver tissue. So that is the correct answer. So option D is correct. Accumulate excess of fat. So D is the correct answer. Next is question 49. Question 49 asks that the process by which digested food of alimentary canal passes through mucous membrane. When a digested food passes through mucous membrane into circulatory system, then it is known as absorption. So A is the correct answer. Question 50. Question 50 asks that treatment with Alexon destroy. Treatment with Alexon destroys. Now Alexon is nothing but a glucose analog, and this glucose analog destroyed insulin producing cells. Now insulin producing cells are nothing but beta cells of pancreatic islets. So C become the correct answer. Question 51. Question 51 asks that which of this is not an enzyme of digestive system? Not an enzyme of digestive system. So if we talk about a question, we have to select not an enzyme. So if option A we talk, it is given as enterokinase. Enterokinase carry out conversion of trypsinogen into trypsin. So this is the enzyme, obvious. Option B is given as amylase. Amylase also carry out a breakdown of carbohydrates, so it is also enzyme. Trypsin is also enzyme which breakdown of protein. And D is enterogastron. Now D, enterogastron is not an enzyme, it is a hormone. It is a hormone which is secreted by duodenal epithelium, and this enterogastron inhibit gastric secretion. It inhibit gastric secretion. So this enterogastron is a hormone, not an enzyme. So D is the correct answer. Question 52. Question 52 asks that which of the following help in synthesis of DNA? Synthesis of DNA and cell division. Now cell division means it is asking about the growth. Cell division means it is asking about the growth. So you should remember that it's a fact based question, that is folic acid, that is vitamin B9 help in DNA synthesis and cell division, that is growth. So C is the correct answer. Next is question 53. Question 53 asks that which is the same as profepsin? Same as profepsin. Now if we talk about profepsin, this profepsin is an inactive form. It is a inactive form of pepsin. Means we have to select an inactive form. Option A is given as trypsinogen, and trypsinogen is obvious a inactive form of trypsin, a proteolytic enzyme. So obvious it is same as a profepsin. We should understand other options. Other options are given as peptones. Peptone is a amino acid chain, so it cannot be there. C is given as starch, no, it cannot be there. And D is fat, so fat cannot be a profepsin or inactive form. So A is the correct answer. Question 54. Question 54 asks that which of the following is a trace element? Which is a trace element? We have to select a trace element. Now actually there are two type of element. There are two type of element or minerals. One is macro minerals. Now macro minerals, we remember it is macro minerals which involve calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, sodium, potassium, chlorine and sulfur. Whereas second kind is trace element. And trace element include iron, manganese, copper, iodine, zinc, cobalt, fluoride and selenium. Now if we go with the option, in option A phosphorus is given, option B chlorine is given, option C magnesium is given, and option D is manganese is given. Now these three are macro and manganese is the trace element. So D is the correct answer, that is manganese. Question 55. Question 55 asks that the method of intake of food method of intake of food in case of ciliate paramecium. Now ciliate paramecium, if we talk, paramecium have a gullet and they have a cytopharynx, that is a gullet, a cytopharynx, they have a mouth. Through this they intake a food and there is a formation of food vacuole. So this type of mode of nutrition is known as holozoic of mode of nutrition. It is known as holozoic mode of nutrition while ingestion is occurring. So A is the correct answer. Question 56. Question 56 asks that digestion is the breaking down of large food molecule. Breakdown of large food molecules is a digestion. Now, what due to this, what happens? The main purpose of this is to, now this breakdown of most of our food, which is made up of complicated chemical structure, in order to be absorbed, it is utilized by the body and must be broken down into the large food particle into the, or complex food particle into the simpler molecule, and this simpler molecule can be absorbed. So breakdown of food particles provide many different type of simpler molecule for absorption. So C is the correct answer. Next is question 57. Question 57 asks that there is a accessory region given. A is given as the permanent teeth begins to replace the temporary ones about the age of 6 years. Yes, this is a different condition, this is correct. And R, it is given as this type of dentition is known as different. Yes, there is a two type of teeth, that is a temporary and permanent. Temporary are replaced by a permanent as the age of 6 years and it is known as different. So both A and R are correct. So option A become correct answer. Question 58. Question 58 asks that which one of the following pair is correctly matched? Which of the following is not correctly matched? Means incorrect match we have to identify. Now option A is given as vitamin B1, that is thiamine, and it is matched with the beriberi. Yes, thiamine deficiency lead to beriberi, so it is a correct match. Option B is given as vitamin B5, and vitamin B5 causes a pellagra, so it is a incorrect, as pellagra is caused by the deficiency of vitamin B3, and vitamin B3 is known as niacin or niacinic acid. C is vitamin B12, and vitamin B12 causes pernicious anemia, and pernicious anemia means decrease in RBC, so that is caused by the deficiency of vitamin B12. Yes. D is given as vitamin B6, that lead to the deficiency of vitamin B6 led to the loss of appetite, so this is also correct, that led to the stomach ache and loss of appetite. So B is incorrect, so B become the correct answer. Question 59. Question 59 asks that iodine deficiency causes. Now iodine deficiency lead to a goiter, that is option D, which is the correct answer, because anemia occur due to deficiency of iron. So D is the correct answer. Next is question 60. Question 60 is asking about dental formula of rabbit. Now if we talk about rabbit dental formula for the incisors, canine, premolar and floral arrangement is 2033 by 2023 into 2, so it is a 16 by 12. So total 28 teeth are present in case of the rabbit. So D become the correct answer.